Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my update for the Throwback 30 project that's being hosted by the Fantastic Ladies. I finished several prompts. I finished this Onyx Professional Mojito Detox Clay Foot Mask. I have one more in that category, and that was for the Drop 10 Before Summer. And then I finished, Then I finished the prompt for Food for Thought, which was for food-themed items. So I finished the Pure Release Watermelon Energizing Sheet Mask and 3 of the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Masks. So that prompt is complete. For Saturday morning pans, I chose Captain America. No, not Captain America. Captain Planet. And the product I chose was, can't read my own handwriting. The First Aid Beauty Face Cleanser. So that's done. So that prompt is complete. And I finished Pan as Old as Time. And that was for the Thank You for Being a Friend palette from Pretties for Your Face. I depotted Sicily and Southern Belle. I have new singles of Zbornak and Pussycat, and St. Olaf, this pink one, just didn't work for me, so I'm not panning it. I'm not turning it into something by excuse me, frankening it. It does not work for me. So this palette is complete. So that's done. So that prompt is done. The next prompt that I finished is in the panning zone for Mr. Bevis. I picked the Pretties for Your Face Strange and Unusual palette. Lydia is gone. Sandworm, this is her first version of this. She has a newer version out now for Halloween. Sandworm has no pigment in it. And Betelgeuse is getting to that point. Otho got so dried out it crumbled out of the pan. And I depotted Miss Argentina because that was the only shade that still worked in there. So that is complete. So I finished another prompt. So that's 1, 2, 3 prompts. And then I finished a 4th prompt. That was for Go for the Goal, which my goal was to complete both palettes. And in my mind, both of these are complete because I got use out of them I got as much use out of them as I could. So that prompt is complete. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 prompts that I finished. So that's cool. I still have a few to go. We have until July of next year. So hopefully I can get, if not all of them, complete. So anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Give us a thumbs up if you like panning videos. Subscribe if you have not. We'd love for you to join the fam. And click that bell if you'd like more notifications from me. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.